Himachal Pradesh rena Dharamsala Potala Prasad Samangre mi Tibetan Seren Sikeria Bongatala lentahe kanai. Ar uni jate Sorokpuri re nei napaitei tahen ma ona babotte sanam manmi Mombati jiret kate mun ko chala deya.
Today we are here in a solidarity, as a candlelight vigil in solidarity with Tsewang Nurbu, a Tibetan singer, a young Tibetan singer who self-immolated in front of Potala Palace. Yeah, and it's such a sad news we heard during Losal, and it really saddened us to know that such a popular singer who has everything that he needed, but still he self-immolated, which only proved what's happening in Tibet right now, the kind of subversion or kind of the crackdown or repression that's happening in Tibet. Yeah.